So what we did here, these were the parts from the old pump. This old pump was manufactured in 2016. So the new parts you'll see are a little bit different color, a little bit different shape. These are the control spool retainer O-rings. Those have changed in durometer, so they're more of a yellow color now. Before they were purple. These here are the seals that the control spool sits in and rides on. You can see those were an O-ring before. Now they're an oval ring. So there's more material added there to give it better crush, so that there's no false signal on that control spool. Glide rings are made the same. These are the old glide rings. These are the new glide rings. Some of the tips too we were showing on how to properly install these. I like to get them, install them. I grab the tip, bend it to like an L shape, so that I can put it inside the groove, and then just put the other end in around. Another method to do that is to push one side in, and you want to grab it like a kidney bean. Take it a set of needle nose. You can grab it and hold it together. And it's a little bit trickier doing it that way, but you hold it together like that, so it's a kidney bean shape. So when you put it inside the groove and you let it go, it'll expand out into that groove. So that's another method. You can either use the needle nose, or you can use the L-type insertion, whichever you prefer. These are just the standard O-rings on both, just Buno O-rings for the end cap. So really the ones you really want to look for the wear are going to be your glide rings and your control spool seals. Another thing we made mention of was the snap ring. So when you go to put that snap ring on, if you just leave it on the top of that edge, it looks like it's on, but you can see it's not in that groove. So it doesn't turn freely. So if you take it and you push that snap ring all the way around, it will fall into the groove. So once it falls into that groove properly, so now you see it's almost in the groove, just the backside is up. So once we push it in, it's snapped. Once it snaps in, you notice that snap ring now is free in there, and it moves freely. Before, if it's sitting up on that groove, there's going to be too much tension. It's not going to be moving, and you know it's inserted incorrectly. So that is the proper installation of the snap ring.